Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to draw the graph of cos function with the help of unit circle. So we have to draw the graph of y equals cos x with the help of unit circle. Here you can see there is a circle whose radius is 1 unit. Say this point, this is the center of the circle, and say this is O. This point is A. Its coordinate will be 1, 0. This point is B. Its coordinate 0, 1. This point is C. Its coordinate, it is your x-axis, it's your x dash axis. So its coordinate would be minus 1, 0. This is y-axis and y dash axis. So its coordinate, say this point is D, its coordinate would be 0, minus 1. And this is, we will take angles in radians. Say this is 0 radian. It is pi by 2. This point is pi by 2. It is 2 pi by 2. That is pi. This point is 3 pi by 2. And this point is 4 pi by 2. That is 2 pi. First, we will take the graph of y equals cos x from 0 to 2 pi. Then we will extend it. Suppose I take this angle, say this angle is theta. Draw perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular line. This angle is theta. This is x and this is y. From here, from this triangle, we can find out this is 1. X upon 1 as cos theta. That is x equals cos theta. That is the value of x. Value of x will give us the value of cos theta. So let's take both the axes, x-axis and y-axis over here, and we will draw the graph. It's your x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. On x-axis, we will take distance in radians, and on y-axis, we will take distance in numbers. So how to take that distance? Let's see. Say this distance is 1. This would be minus 1. Be very careful about distance. Should be equal. Or we can think of like, now say this is pi by 2. This point is pi by 2. Then say this distance is 2 pi by 2. This distance is 3 pi by 2. This is pi by 2. 2 pi by 2, that is pi. 3 pi by 2. And this is 4 pi by 2. That is 2 pi. Again, we can take 5 pi by 2. 6 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2, and so on. Similarly, this side. This distance is minus pi by 2. This is minus 2 pi by 2. That is minus pi. This distance is minus 3 pi by 2. And this distance is minus 4 pi by 2. That is minus 2 pi. So we can see over here the value of x is cos theta. Value of x is cos theta. We can see at 0, value of x is 1. At 0, the value of x is 1. We can see over here 1. At pi by 2, value of x is 0. At 2 pi by 2, it is pi, that is minus 1. Minus 1 is there. We will take coordinates very carefully. 3 pi by 2, it is 0. And 4 pi by 2, it is again 1. 4 pi by 2, it is again 1. 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, it is 1. Joining these points with the help with free hands, not the straight line. We will join them with the free hands. Like we will join them in the form of curve. It would be like this, and then this. For pi by 2, it is 1. Similarly, this side, you will join them like this. And at minus 5, it is at minus pi, it is minus 1. And at pi by minus 3 pi by 2, it is 0. And at it is again 1. So you will get the graph like this. See this? You will join them like this. And we have drawn the graph of y equals cos x minus from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. And you can see the graph of y equal cos x from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Similarly, we can extend it for all real values. It will go like this. It will go like this. And so similarly in this side also it will go like this. So we can draw the graph of y equals cos x. Now what we have observed from here? What is the domain and range of this function? What is the domain and range of this function? Domain means for which value of x this function is defined. We can see y equals cos x is defined for all values of x. That is, its domain would be all real numbers. And what is the range? Range means on substituting all real values of x over here, what would be the value of y? We can see over here on substituting x, whatever is the value of x, y is maximum value of y is 1 and a minimum value of y is minus 1. You can see over here. So its range would be minus 1 to 1 close interval. Again, this function is periodic function. It will repeat. After this line, that is after 2 pi, this function is repeat in the same way. It is a periodic function and its period is again 2 pi. It's a periodic function with period whose period is 1 or with whose period is 2 pi. Hence, we can see the graph of y equals cos x with the help of unit circle. How can we draw the graph of y equals cos x? And what are the domain? Domain would be capital R and range would be -1 to 1, -1 to 1 close interval. That's all in this. Thank you.